Hello, beautiful people all around the world. Welcome to episode 25 of Podcast Your English. I'm Eva, and I'm recording this right after finishing my sacred morning block. Alarm at 6:30, glass of water, 10 push-ups, 20 minutes of shadowing a BBC interview and labeling 3 new objects in the kitchen. Zero excuses, pure discipline.
And I'm Daniel, who finally beat the snooze demon today. I'm on my feet, second liter of water is half gone, and I've already done a 2-minute cold shower narration in English. Listeners, today we are going deep into the art and science of self-discipline, the real superpower behind every person who speaks English fluently without living in an English-speaking country.
If you're B1 or B2 and you sometimes think, I know a lot, but I never practice enough, this episode is your turning point. Drop a comment right now with the area where you want more discipline: speaking, listening, vocab, waking up early, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin.
First, let's kill the biggest myth. Self-discipline is not about being a robot or having endless willpower. It's about designing a life where the right action is the easiest action.
Exactly. Discipline equals freedom. When you control your mornings, you control your English. When you control your English, you control your opportunities.
Rule number 1, start stupidly small. If your brain hears study English 1 hour every day, it panics and opens TikTok. But if you say, I will open the shadowing video and repeat exactly 1 sentence, your brain says, okay, I can do that. I started with 1 single sentence of shadowing per day. 30 days later, I was doing 20 minutes without thinking.
My first tiny habit was labeling 1 object. Day 1, kettle, equals brew me magic. Day 2, mirror, equals you've got this. Day 100, my entire flat speaks English to me every day. Start so small that saying no feels ridiculous.
Rule number 2, habit stacking plus triggers. Never rely on memory. Attach the new habit to something you already do 100% of the time. Examples: after I brush my teeth, I say 3 English sentences in the mirror. While the kettle boils, 3 minutes, I shadow 1 paragraph. When I sit on the toilet, I read 1 page of an English book. Yes, really. The moment I close my laptop for the day, I record a 60-second voice note about my day.
My current stack in the morning: alarm rings, drink 500 ml water, glasses already on the bedside table, finish water, 10 push-ups, finish push-ups, open YouTube, shadow 1 video. Video ends, label 1 new object. Total time invested, 18 minutes. Result, unbreakable chain.
Rule number 3, make it obvious, environment design. I moved my phone charger to the kitchen. No phone in bedroom equals no morning scrolling equals I wake up earlier. I put my English notebook and pen on the dinner table every evening, so it's the first thing I see when I come for breakfast. I deleted Instagram and TikTok from my home screen. Now the first app I see is Elsa Speak.
I turned my phone to grayscale. Suddenly, it became incredibly boring, and opening a podcast became more attractive than doom scrolling. 10-second change, life-changing result.
Rule number 4, the 2-minute rule from David Allen and James Clear. If a positive action takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. See a new word, add it to Anki now. Friend sends a voice message in English, answer in English now. Think of a good sentence, say it aloud now. These micro wins train the discipline muscle every single hour.
Rule number 5, track or it didn't happen. I have a huge wall calendar. Every day I complete my 3 core habits, I draw a giant green X. After 2 weeks, you have a chain. You will do anything not to break it. Jerry Seinfeld used this for writing jokes. I use it for English.
Apps that work great. Habitica, which turns life into RPG. Streaks, which is a beautiful chain tracker. Way of life, yes or no questions, or just Google Sheets with colors. The visual chain is addictive.
Rule number 6, scheduled reflection, not random motivation. every Sunday evening at 2000 hours, I spend exactly 12 minutes asking, what went well this week? Where did I skip and why? What will I improve next week? What is my focus habit for the coming week? I write the answers in English, of course.
Rule number 7, reward menu. Never rely on willpower alone. Create a reward list. 7 green X's equals favorite coffee shop latte. 14 green X's equals new English ebook. 30 green X's equals massage or cinema ticket. Your brain starts to associate discipline with pleasure.
Rule number 8, the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. When the alarm rings, count backwards 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. It interrupts the hesitation loop in the brain. I use it every morning and every time I feel resistance to opening the recording app.
Rule number 9, identity over goals. Don't say I want to be fluent. Say I am the kind of person who practices English every day, no matter what. Identity-based habits are almost unbreakable.
I changed my phone wallpaper to the sentence, I am a disciplined English speaker. Every time I unlock the phone, I see it. Hundreds of tiny reminders per day.
Rule number 10, forgiveness script. When you miss a day, and you will, say out loud, that was just one day. I am still the person who practices English every day. I restart right now. Then do a 30-second micro session immediately. No guilt. Guilt kills chains.
Let's build your perfect English discipline morning stack together, step by step.
Option A, the 15-minute power start. Wake up, drink water, glass already prepared. 30-second cold shower and narrate in English. 5 minutes shadowing, video prepared night before. 3 minutes free talk in the mirror. 1 minute journal sentence. Label one object. Total, about 15 minutes, but feels like winning the day.
Option B, the busy person stack. While coffee brews, shadow one paragraph. While eating breakfast, read one page aloud. Before leaving the house, record a 60-second voice note. Plans for today.
Option C, evening wind-down stock. After dinner, 3-minute role play. Today's real conversation replayed in English. Before sleep, 1 gratitude sentence in English and 1 new word revision.
Real listener transformations. Names changed.
Anna, 29, office worker, started with 1 labeled object per day. After 90 days, her flat is covered in notes. She now dreams in English and speaks without thinking.
Murat, 34, father of 2. Habit: sing 1 English song with kids every evening. 6 months later, the whole family speaks English at home, and he passed C1 exam.
Katya, 22, student. 2-minute rule only. Every time she saw an English word, repeated it aloud. Result: from shy B1 to competent presenter in university.
Dennis, 27, night shift nurse. Environment hack: phone in another room plus paper notebook on pillow. Went from 4 hours sleep and 0 practice to 7 hours sleep and 30 minutes English every morning.
Common mistakes we all make and how to fix them. Starting too big, fix, divide by 10. Waiting for motivation, fix, schedule it like a dentist appointment. All or nothing thinking, fix, 1% is better than 0%. No reward, fix, create menu today. Hiding slip-ups, fix, tell someone immediately, shame disappears.
Your homework. Yes, right now while listening. Pause this episode. Choose 1 tiny English discipline habit that takes less than 3 minutes. Decide the exact trigger, as in, after I will do. Write it in the comments below in English. Example: after I finish my coffee, I will shadow 1 paragraph. After I brush my teeth at night, I will record 1 journal sentence.
We will read every single comment. This is your public commitment, and it works like magic.
Final words. Discipline is love. Love for your future self who speaks English freely. Love for the opportunities waiting on the other side. Love for the pride you'll feel when you look back and say, I did it.
Start ridiculously small. Stay stupidly consistent, and watch the compound effect turn you into a fluent, confident English speaker.
Thank you for being with us. I'm Eva.
I'm Daniel, and both stay disciplined, stay kind to yourself, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Probably more disciplined than today.